separated at birth. These two fuzzy critters are red pandas. When they were born, one of them needed extra help. What happened next? Sisu, Rhea. Boys and girls, pause the video while you write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. How to help a cub. As you read, think about all the ways people helped the sick red panda cub. Last year, 2 red panda cubs were born in a zoo. The cubs were named Sisu and Rhea. Sisu was healthy, but Rhea was too small and she had trouble breathing. The people at the zoo knew they had to help. They decided to give Rhea extra care until she got healthier. They left Sisu with the cub's mom. They knew she would do a great job taking care of Sisu. Caring for Rhea. Who helped Rhea? A zookeeper named Jami and a veterinarian named Audrey worked together. A veterinarian is a doctor who cares for animals. Yami and Audrey took turns caring for Rhea. They took her home at night. Their families helped care for Rhea too. Even Audrey's dog helped. He cuddled with Rhea and licked her. Yami and Audrey watched Rhea all day, every day, for months. They gave her tiny drops of milk to drink. They gave her medicine. They weighed her to see if she was getting bigger. Growing and learning. Yami and Audrey wanted Rhea to grow up to be a normal red panda. They snuggled her and gave her a red panda toy to cuddle so she would be used to being around other animals. They took her outside to play in grass for the first time. At first, Rhea was scared of the grass, but she kept exploring. She was brave. Rhea grew. She could breathe more easily. She was getting healthier. Yami and Audrey thought Rhea was ready to join her mom and sister at the zoo again. But would the other red pandas remember Rhea? Back together. Yami and Audrey brought Rhea to the zoo in a carrier. At first, all 3 red pandas were shy. Then the mom walked up to the carrier. She peered in at Rhea. They touched noses through the door. After that, Sisu did the same thing. The red pandas were curious. Slowly, Rhea came out of the carrier. Her mom put her paw on Rhea's back and licked her. That was her way of saying, "Welcome home." Then Sisu ran over and pounced on Rhea. She wanted to play. That night, all 3 pandas went to sleep together. Yami and Audrey's hard work had paid off. The red panda family was back together, safe and healthy. by Blair Ransford. When Rhea was born, she could fit in one hand. Zoo workers helped her drink milk. Rhea loves to climb in trees. Rhea and Sisu live at Potawatomi Zoo in Indiana. They love to play together. Compare two red pandas. Look at the diagrams, then answer the questions. First diagram is the newborn cub. It's about as big as a hamster. Its fur is short and light brown. It is born with its eyes and ears closed. Its claws are small and soft. This diagram is of an adult red panda. It is about as big as a raccoon. Its fur is thick, soft, and reddish brown. Its eyes and ears are open. Its claws are big and sharp. Question 1. Which one has big, sharp claws? The newborn cub, the adult, or both of them? Look at the diagram for facts about the claws. Is it the newborn cub or the adult that has big, sharp claws? Question 2. Which one has fur? The newborn cub, the adult, or both? Look up at the diagrams for facts about fur. Which one has fur? Is it the newborn cub, the adult, or both? Question 3. Which one is about as big as a hamster? Is it the newborn cub, the adult, or both? Look at the diagrams to help you. Question 4. Which one of these is true about a newborn red panda cub? It is as big as a raccoon. It is born with its eyes open. It is born with its eyes closed. We are looking for the true statement about the newborn red panda cub. So look at these facts about the newborn cub and which one of these statements is true. It's as big as a raccoon, it's born with its eyes open, or it's born with its eyes closed.
Roly-poly creatures are red pandas. Many people think they're some of the most adorable animals around. Despite their name, red pandas are not close relatives of the giant panda, although they both love to eat bamboo. Red pandas are actually related to raccoons. They both have striped bushy tails. Unlike raccoons, though, red pandas are an endangered species. Their habitat in the Asian forest has been destroyed by farming and construction. That means fewer red pandas can survive. Today, less than 10,000 red pandas remain in the wild. Red pandas live in forests in the snowy Himalayan mountains. Their thick furry coat is an adaptation that keeps them warm and dry in the cold. Their reddish-brown color is an adaptation too. It helps them hide in the forest from predators like leopards. In fact, red pandas are so good at hiding that sometimes even scientists can't find them. This makes it difficult to study the animals in the wild. So biologists around the world are studying these creatures in captivity. Many zoos breed and raise baby red pandas to help increase the population. Female red pandas have 2 or 3 cubs at a time. When they're born, the It's a full-time job. Just like human babies, red panda cubs need constant attention. As the cubs grow, zoo researchers carefully observe them. What they learn helps them understand red pandas in the wild. Plus, red pandas are fun to watch. They love to play with each other, especially in the snow. Scientists are working to protect red pandas' forest habitat. They hope that will help keep the cute creatures playing in the snow for years to come.
What is one thing you learned about red pandas? Talk about it. See you soon.